Ooh.
Hold it up.
Literally. Show mommy.
Can you show it to the camera?
Show it to the camera.
I found a penny yogurt.
Hold out your hand flat. Go like this.
Okay, we have one more to squish. Before. After. Okay, let's do another one.
Watch. Come here.
I'm gonna watch over here.
Watch over here. I'm trying to get a picture of it.
Oh no! Man down!
Wait. Alright.
This time we'll get it from a different angle.
Let's go. Going to start.
The glasses.
Iris, come get it out! Get it.
See, like it turned out all blurry.
Okay, let's get him to Furfur.
Let's go to Furfur. Come on. Go.
Jappa! Auntie Jappa! Auntie Jappa!
Got it.
Hey, Auntie Jappa!
Got it.
I'm not even gonna ask him.
That's very odd. My card jumped out of my hand.